How's it going, everyone? It's Aaron, back at it with another Jeep Patriot video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install LED headlights and 50-watt resistors to go with the headlights to eliminate any flickering or flashing that you get with them. So it's very useful. All LED headlights for the Jeep Patriot need 50-watt resistors to trick the canvas, whatever the hell you call it. You're thinking that you're running regular voltage with the stock headlights, but you're running LEDs. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your headlight housing and you're just going to remove the factory bulb. So what you're going to want to do is just do it and turn it this side, so you're turning it to the right. The bulb comes out. Then you're going to want to pull this clip down and have the bulb come out. To be left with this and your stock bulb. Then you're going to want to take one of your resistors so this end right here plugs in to the factory and you can lock it in place. This end goes to the new bulb. So if I take out the new bulb, so here's my new bulb, BeamTech LED, and just plug it into the resistor. It fits, and technically you should be drilling these in. If I go over a little bit, you guys can actually see it. You should really just drill these resistors in, but right now I don't have access to a drill, so I'm pretty much gonna stuff them in to this hole right here, if you guys can see it. I'm just gonna stuff them in there for now, but they really should be drilled in and secured onto metal because they do get incredibly hot. They will melt anything. And simply, for putting bulb is just simply aligning it and twisting it back. Like I said, I'm just gonna take these resistors and stuff them in here because, like I said, I don't have access to a drill right now. So pretty much that's the whole setup. And I'm gonna do the same for the other side, and I'll show you the final outcome. Okay, so now that I got both LEDs hooked up and wired up into the plug and play resistors, I'm gonna turn on the headlights and start the car. If you do not have regular headlights, or if you're running LED headlights and don't have resistors, as soon as you start the car, you'll immediately notice that they'll start to turn on and off. That is what flickering means. So once I turn on the car, you guys will see that the resistors are doing their job. So let me go turn on the car. And as you guys can see, they both work perfectly fine. They're super bright. They have a white light output, and they're really amazing lights for the night. I would recommend LEDs to anyone really. They're really, honestly, pretty inexpensive. They're probably around $50 for a good bulb, set of bulbs, and the resistors are like between $10 and $15 a set, so I would recommend them to anyone. All the products will be linked down in the description below, and I hope you all have enjoyed. I'm about to go record my tire video right after this, so yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed, comment below on what you guys want to see next. I'll see you all next time. Peace out.